Hey guys, welcome back to the M&G channel, and today I'm here to show you how I make these quick and easy spelt pancakes. So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that post notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need is some spelt flour. I just put my spelt flour in this container here that I get from Dollar Tree. Next, you're going to need some sparkling natural mineral water. You can honestly find this at any grocery store. And you're also going to need some allspice. Allspice is an alkaline replacement for cinnamon. So first off, I just want to say that I don't usually measure when I'm making these. So I just kind of eyeball and see how much I feel like I want to eat, and then I just make it according to that. Next, I put this allspice in this grinder here, and I just grind out however much allspice that I want in my pancakes. Then with the water, I just put the amount of water that fits the consistency that I want for my batter. I do like a thicker batter, and you'll see in a few seconds that I keep adding water just to get the consistency of the pancake batter that I'm comfortable with. And the sparkling mineral water is supposed to help the pancakes rise a bit. They don't rise that much, but it helps it rise a little bit. And here I'm just going to put a little bit of grapeseed oil on the pan, and I'm going to heat that pan up on like a medium heat. So this is pretty much the consistency I ended up getting for my pancake batter. And I pretty much just take a large spoon and just put 2 large spoonfuls in the middle of my pan and kind of flatten it out a little bit just to get the size and shape that I want my pancake to be. So the cooking process doesn't really take that long, just a few minutes on each side, but you'll start to see the color change from the outer part of the pancake, and then it'll start to move to the center. And that's usually a sign for me to actually start to flip the pancake. I personally love fresh fruits with my pancakes, so I'm just going to cut up some strawberries and bananas so I can put on top. So these are my spelt pancakes. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Give me a comment, any other videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.